Cruising around the yard in my KW. What's up, y'all, man? We back, man. Back with another one of these things. Yes, sir. Back in the truck, man. I don't know why I said that, because y'all can see they was back in the truck, obviously. But I'm looking for my trailer so that I can do a little work today. So while I'm about to hook to my trailer, man, y'all go ahead and do your thing, man. Consider subscribing. Like it. Get down in the comment section and say something. Share it so somebody else can say something. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please do that for me, y'all. It don't cost you a thing. I just need my views to go back up, man. I just want y'all. I just don't know who y'all are anymore, man. I just want y'all to accept me for me, man. I just want y'all to accept me for me, man. But yeah, man. Let me get out and hook to this trailer. Let's get on down the road, man. Yeah. So how y'all doing this morning, man? Back here on the backside, man, you know? I can't even call this the country, so I'd be lying if I said that. This ain't even no countryside, I don't think. This is a city, Jay. Definitely a city. It's land right there, man. I think it's like 5 acres. I think I showed y'all that before. Too close to the city though, man. I don't even want it. And it's on the main strip. It's on the main road. Like, I don't wanna hear this all night. And I know I have my truck and trailer and trying to get in the driveway and cars coming trying to bag the car in. Well, I ain't got a bag the car in at that point because all that land I ain't got to bag nothing in. But just trying to get in there and trying to get in there and trying to get out. No, I'd rather not. For real. Y'all seen that, right? I don't know if y'all seen my TikTok video, but hey, you pull out in front of me, man, I'm not slowing down, man. I'm sorry. Cause you know better. You know better. You say you gonna do the same thing? Nah, it was smart. This is my dash cam. Pull out on me, man. I'm telling you, man, you're gonna be a speed bump, man. Come on. Come on. I don't understand what's wrong with these people, man. I swear I don't. Yeah, man, I had to come back, man, with my seatbelt on, man. I ain't realized I ain't have my seatbelt on. Excuse me, y'all. There we go. Wish I was on the expressway though, man. Back on the back road. These boys still in the bed slobbing, man. Wait a minute. Like tied down here. Look like. I doubt it though. He probably doing something else. I doubt I'm tired of this. Ghost town. Nobody down yonder. But anyway, I ain't finna bore y'all with this right here, man. Let me scoot on down here, man, to where I need to be. My school's on right now. So want me to go slow. So yeah. Let me get on down to where I need to be, man. Handle this business and we'll holler. Yo, man, I'm sitting back here, man, in the bike, man. Man, just ate my little lunch. Baby made some fish last night. Some macaroni, some garlic bread. Ooh, whoa, man. Man. Man, look here, man. Yeah, she done good. I'ma show her she done good. Don't worry about it. But anyway, man, yeah, man, we back here, man. Back here in the bed, man. Back here in the bike, man, watching 7-8 Chevy boy, man. Keep the title on that, man.
They don't charge for $25 to put it on.
I ain't on that. Binge watching 7-8 Chevy boy, man. My dog, big person, man. 5-15-22, man. Connecting, never competing car show. Make sure y'all be there, man. But we about to hop on this slab. We about to hop on this slab, man. It's kind of started like it's raining, like it want to rain, man. Y'all see that on my windshield? Y'all see that? Like it want to rain or something, so I don't know, but finna hook up to the trailer, man. Gotta go swap out the trailer. So we finna hop on this slab, run down here. What time is it? 11:54. Yeah, I got plenty of day left. Run down here, man, and snatch this up. Like I said, still watching 7-8 Chevy boy, man. I might put it on the phone, man, while I'm driving or something. But now I'm gonna vlog a little bit. Then we're gonna finish this video out right now. But yeah, we get down now. Well, when I get on the slab, man, I'm gonna pick the camera back up. I had to bring that thing back one time, man. I know I said it looked like it was raining. Man, it's sleep, dog. Look, y'all see that? Man, that's sleep. I don't know what this weather here got going on, man, but come on, man. Golly. I don't know. What's that? That old gray hair, man. Trying to get me. Trying to get me. Well, I guess we finna ride into sleep then. So, catch y'all when I get in motion. It's crazy. Yes, sir. Yeah, I know I ain't got my seatbelt on. I know. I can't try to put it on now. I was trying to catch this truck for y'all, man. Y'all know, man. I want this truck, man. Matter of fact, I just seen another truck that I want. But I don't want this truck right here that I'm trying to catch. ain't really all that appealing to me. You know what I'm saying? Like my 2500 gonna have to be either a Chevy or a GMC. More than likely it's gonna be a Chevy. High country or something, you know what I'm saying? But this is a high country in front of me, it's a 1500 though. But high country, man, got all the bells and whistles. Lift that thing, man, I'm about some 37. Probably lift it with 26 or 37s, I believe, something like that. I wanna do that. Y'all know, man, my heart, man, I'm talking about my heart. That Ram 3500, man, that dually, man. Man. That ooh-wee. That right there? Man. Hey, look. Man, that right there, man. I love that truck, man. I love that truck. Crazy because I really can't even show y'all the truck because I ain't never really around here like as far as the like on the car lots or whatever, man. I ain't even really around. They can't keep them. I don't know if they don't order enough of them or what, but they cannot keep them trucks around here. You might go to Ford, you'll see. You'll see some F350s. You might see a couple of 3500 Chevys and GMCs. You ain't about to see no Ram 3500. You just ain't. It's crazy. Yeah, I came right in rambling in it. I like the trucks, man. I like them trucks. I like the lifted truck. 392. I like them lifted trucks, man. Dog brand nasty, man. You got that old lifted Silverado, man. That thing look good, man. Yeah. I can't wait on my day, man. Can't wait on my day, man. I go and pick up my Ram 3500. Can't wait. I wish something shake where I can go and get it this week. Today. So do. Man, I wish I could go and get my truck, man. I know my name on it somewhere, man, with a bow on it. I know it is. Yeah, man. They roll through that rubber. Yeah. I love it, man. The other truck I want, though. You know what? I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these trucks, man, but the other truck I want, man, I want that Jeep Gladiator, man. You know what I'm saying? I want that Gladiator, man, so I can ride with Ash, man. She can have her doors off. I can have my doors off, man. We can come through, man, just like that. Killing them. Making them see something. Showing them something. Bam! All in your face. Now it's a case. All that right there, man. Yes, sir. And I've been seeing a lot of them lately. I've been seeing a whole bunch of Gladiators. They're on right here. Look. I've been seeing a whole bunch of Gladiators lately, man. A whole bunch of them. Matter of fact, when I was talking to y'all, when I first picked the camera up, man, a blue one had rolled past. I had just seen a blue one earlier when I was talking to y'all. And then a black one passed on the expressway, and then that burgundy one just passed. So this is what, 4 or 5 that I've seen today? Yeah, I want me one of those, man, so I can lift it and, you know what I'm saying, have it right, man. So me and baby, when we get ready to ride, you know what I'm saying, she'll be in the Jeep. I'll be in the Gladiator, man. We'll be doing our thing. Tag teaming on them, man. Tag teaming on them. But, yeah, man. Take me, I'm gonna pull up at this stop. Swap this trailer out, man. I don't even know how long this video is. But, I just wanted to talk to y'all. More than likely, I'm gonna probably, if I'm good, more than likely, I'm gonna pick the camera back up. Pick the camera back up, man. I don't know what I'm gonna get into today. More than likely, nothing though. We just chilling, man. It's lifestyle truck vlogs, man. We in the truck talking, man. Talking to y'all like y'all sitting right here next to me, man. Over there, man. I like that truck there. It's lifted a little bit. Ain't no big lift. I like it though. Like my 2500, it ain't gotta be no new truck or nothing like that. I just want me a lifted 2500, man. I want both of my trucks to be able to do what it do. 4-wheel drive, can pull a house down, you know, and I can be mine. I can be in them guns, man. Like luxury, you know. Everybody want that luxury, man. I don't want to like with MayRose. Like I can only be cool in it, man, on certain days. Like, you know, I don't want my other vehicles to be like that. Like I want to be able to get in the car whenever I want to. Rain, sleet, snow, whatever. Can't do MayRose like that, man. She ain't gonna like it. Well, she might not care, but I ain't gonna like it. But yeah, man. Let me switch this trailer right quick. And I'll hit y'all right back.